In this video, I'll show you how you can stream Crunchyroll on Discord. Now, if you're using Chrome, the first things first, there's a setting you have to disable. So all you have to do is go to the Chrome settings. So on Chrome, click on these three dots icon at the top right corner, and then select settings. Within the settings, choose system, and then this option, use graphic acceleration when available, ensure that this option has been disabled. Now, once you have disabled that, open Discord on your PC. And then from here, go to the server that you'd like to stream your Discord or to stream Crunchyroll, sorry. So select the server and join any voice channel. And then from here, once you join the voice channel, simply choose share your screen and then choose Crunchyroll. So for me, it's Crunchyroll. So simply select share screen. And then from here, you now start streaming Crunchyroll on Discord. So once you're done, simply click on any anime that you'd like to watch. And then from here, you should now see that anime is currently playing on Discord, or you're streaming that anime on Discord. So you can invite your friends and watch together on that particular anime on Discord. Okay. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.